Hello, this is Jamie Magrich. This is a quick tip video. I just want to show you how I clean out my blender brushes. It's really quite simple. Just take my Stampin' Mist. It's a very old bottle, but I just refill it. And a microfiber rag. And I just squirt a couple squirts onto my microfiber. And then I take my brush and I just brush it like, use a little bit of strength, but I mean I'm not mashing, I'm just being a little bit aggressive. And then I'm going to turn it to a clean spot and I'm going to rub it. Any residual color will come off. So then you're going to bring in your, make sure it's clean. That's it, it's dry, it doesn't, so basically you're washing it and then wiping it off. Okay, well, we can use the same spot. So this one has more ink in it. You can see it coming off on the towel. Flip it over to a clean spot. Dry spot. And then check, make sure it's all clean. That's all you need to do. They're going to be stained. Doesn't hurt anything. Well, thanks for joining me at Jamie's Craft Table. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope you can find a little bit of time to play. Have a great one.